Hi, it's Rachel Smith up here in Big Bear Lake. I'm over here at 40287 Bonita. Small little side street near the lake over in Big Bear Lake area. Cute little cabin just came on the market. The home is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, just hit the market for $418,000 roughly. So come take a look with me. Okay, here is the outside. Parking looks like a newer roof, fog-sided, looks like a good foundation. So this one again is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 768 square foot. This is an interesting room over here because it's not connected to the house. Yet it is. So appears to be like a concrete floor. But let's go back and enter the proper way. So lots of sunlight here too. Very, very sunny. Got a fireplace in the living room. Maybe a small sectional here, a chair, and a coffee table. And it does appear that this one has just recently been renovated. Good size bedroom here. And in the hallway, you've got stackable laundry and the furnace. Smells very clean, new, nice inside. Got a full bathroom. Cute little kitchen. I would almost take this down and make a eat-at countertop, as you could likely get a little table over here too, but just more space by doing it that way. Glass tile, looks like newer cabinets. You got some of the originals in here. And then out back, they painted the back of it, so I like that navy blue. You can enter that patio room right there. And a shed. Decking looks good. Very supported. And this is 402 something Bonita.